Hello, my name is Maria Gould, and thanks for tuning in. This is video 3, where I'm discussing what is Reiki, how can it help my spiritual growth. If you haven't seen video 1 and video 2, I will leave those in the comments. Those would be great to maybe check out first before you get to this one, but it's up to you, whatever you feel you want to watch. So thank you for your time. So I've been doing Reiki for many, many years, like over 25 years, and I have seen miraculous things happen. One of the reasons I was drawn to Reiki is I was drawn to the gentleness and the ease of being able to heal and calm myself. In my early 20s, I had lots of things going on with depression and suicidal thoughts and things like that. So I needed a tool to kind of calm me and get out of my brain. So when I took the Reiki training, I had profound emotional healings, and it really did feel like it connected me with the unconditional love of the universe. So Reiki is part, for some people, a way to connect to their spiritual nature, a way to start to understand that we are more than a body, right? We are more than a body. We are electromagnetic beings. And if our energy that our body is made of is blocked or out of balance, it can cause all kinds of problems, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. So Reiki is such a beautiful tool for you to deepen your connection with your spiritual self, whatever that is for you. It is not my right to tell you how to find God. But Reiki is a wonderful tool for you to realize the love that flows through you when you receive your Reiki training really is the unconditional love of the universe or God. That's what I've come to know. Right? And I understand that sometimes if we are raised in different religious beliefs, we are told or it's implied that philosophies from the East are bad. That's never been my experience. So, would you like to know that actually Reiki came from a Christian minister? A Christian minister in Japan in the early 1900s, when his students asked him, "Sensei, how do we heal as Jesus did?" Now, no one heals as Jesus did, but I think Jesus really started to tap in to understand that as the Son of God, he could allow the healing of God to move through him. What if that's your potential as well? The Bible promises us, and Jesus said that we will do this and much more. Do you remember that? So what if Reiki is a way to light fire under your faith, to give you the hands-on experience of healing, like Jesus talked about? Just an idea, right? If you weren't raised with Christian beliefs, usually there's less conflict for you. But I just wanted to address that. I just wanted to talk about that for a second. So Reiki really can help deepen your love and connection with your spiritual self. I found it was a huge step on my healing journey, and I would love to share it with you if you're open for that. So I do have classes coming up, the level 1 and level 2 at the beginning of March. And I will leave the link for the classes in the comments of this video, and my email as well. So if you have questions or anything you'd like to chat about, you can reach out to me. I also do one-on-one Reiki sessions if you're interested in experiencing that. So asking you to ponder, would you like a tool that could help heal you on all levels? Reiki can help heal you physically. It can help you with mental and emotional stress. And it can help you foster a deeper relationship with spirit, whatever that feels right for you. Whether you have a religion and you go to church. I know that Reiki has been taught to many people of many different faiths when they actually understood the real history of Reiki. So if you have questions, I would love to answer them. Thank you for taking the time to watch this 3-part video series. And if you have any questions, I would love to chat. All right? Have a beautiful, beautiful day. Thank you.